You know, most days I go through the comment section and I see one common comment right across where most would say, real talk, yeah, make. Or some would say, real meds, me G. But are you being true to what you say? Well, this morning, let me put you to that test. Because there's a lot of people out there that is saying they hate a certain thing. But on the contrary, it would seem as if the thing they say they hate, they actually love it. But the thing about that also is that they don't even know that they love the thing that they say they hate. It's a crazy world out there, my friends. Now I say these three quotations to you. Got to be true to myself. And the second one says, I'm talking to the man in the mirror. And third and final, it says, to thine own self, be true. Now, if you think that the world is full of darkness, let us see your light. And if you think the world is full of wickedness, let us see your goodness. If you think that people are acting wrongly, let us see your right action. And if you think people don't know, let us see what you know. If you think that the world is filled with uncaring people, let us see how much you care about people. If you think that life is being unfair to you, let us see how you can be fair to life. If you think that people are proud, let us see your humility. You know, we can easily spot out or see the faults in everything around us easily. And we can see what is wrong. But guess what, my friends? A positive attitude backed by a right action in a true direction is all we really need to survive in peace and harmony in this arena called life. Yeah, man. Now remember these three quotes in closing. Got to be true to myself. Ziggy Marley said that. I'm talking to the man in the mirror. Michael Jackson said that. And to thine own self be true. I've always heard that from my grandmother. So let us take these things into thought today and not just say real meds or real talk, but actually put what I have just said into action. Yeah, man. A word to the wise.